Hello YouTubers. What you see here is a 1997 Brass Hunter original with, what's that? Mirrored brass blades. Now, this fan was not found in this condition. I have added the blades myself. I bought this fan off eBay. It came with white blades and hardware. White original thing in the box it came in. I bought it for, I think, only like 70 something bucks. So. And I bought it on the purpose I've been looking for a 5-blade brass to do with this project for a long time. Well, finally found one. I must say, that's pretty freaking cool. These blades are a little bit shorter than 52. They're like 50 inches, something like that. They are craftmade blades. I had to drill the holes a little bit to make them work. But it works, and it works fantastically, actually. Let's go over here and look at the tag. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see with that glare. Right. So let's go on low. But like I said, this fan originally came with white stuff. Obviously someone replaced it with another Hunter original, and somehow was able to send this off. Like, it looked like it even had like a refurbishment label on it. So, very interesting. It's kind of cool, the effect it gives. Let's go ahead and go to medium speed. Now, the bearing does sound a bit worn. It's possible this fan was run without oil. Well, or just had the original. It did have oil in it. There's medium, by the way. It's a very fast medium. Let's go ahead and go to high. Shorter blades makes this fan go a lot faster. And actually it moves a whole lot of air. Wow, I just realized that. On the amp meter we're drawing 1.7 amps. So, well under what it's rated for. It's fairly well balanced. The Campy has a little bit of paint on it. That's basically the only real defect. Brass is in good condition, except for on this side of the oil cup, you can kind of see it's a little silvery. The brass is fading on that side. So yeah. But this is very cool. We're in Hunter original. I'm wondering if this is museum worthy. If I should sell this as it is, or if I should keep it. I'm not one for brass fans, but having it all brass like this is kind of cool. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Go ahead and spin down. Let me go ahead and back up a little bit. Sorry for the quality of lighting. Once again, I've been kind of working on this project tonight, so just using what I have around here with some LED lights. But yeah. So this fan was, like I said, was oiled, but I don't think they ever changed it. The wrappings that came in was completely covered in black oil. It looks like it was never drained, unfortunately, when it was shipped. Besides that, it does seem like it works forward and backwards. I pulled probably a good 2 handfuls of dust and pet dandruff out of the top of the motor, so definitely needed a good cleaning. I'm trying to get a little bit of a lower angle so you can see those blades a little better. But yeah, like I said, this is a kind of cool thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I haven't decided for sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I might sell it, I might keep it. Pretty good spin down though. So even though the bearing sounds like it has a rough spot, it does still run in good condition. These blades also weigh a good amount, so surprising. it can run so fast. I don't know, like the curved profile on these blades actually go pretty well with the motor. Let's go ahead and get another look at these blades real fast. The blades aren't perfect. I think like one or two have some minor scratching on, but you can't see them. So, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching.